What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. First time recycling. My name is Hiro. Normally, our usual videos we would be actually out riding. There's been fires going on in California, and it looks like the air quality is horrid. You do not want to breathe that air. So today, we're going to be addressing a rear flat issue that I'm getting. This bike is tubeless, ready, so there's no tube inside. And it'd be my first time working with a tubeless tire bike. My mountain bike's not tubeless. I actually have tubes in them. I was gonna convert it, but I'm like, we haven't gotten flats. Alvin and I, we haven't gotten flats yet, so I haven't had a need to deal with it or to swap anything out yet. But finally, we now have an issue. So I'm assuming that there's probably just less glue in there. It needs more glue, so I just probably need to put some more in. So what I got here is a product called Stands No Tube. Stands No Tubes. This is what I got for my mountain bike because I wanted to convert it to tubeless tires. They say it's better because it's lighter, and if you get a puncture, it'll seal it right away, which I experienced on this bike before. I got one of those little, I don't know what they're called, but little spiky balls. And it had one inside. I pulled it out, I heard it go psss, just sucked it right away, sealed it. So this is the Stands No Tubes tire sealant. Virtually eliminates flats, it really does. And what's this? The injector. It's called the injector. I guess this is what allows you to inject the sealant into the tube or into the tire. It says allows standard Stands No Tube sealant to quickly and easily inject into valves with removable cores. And in order to remove the core, you need one of these guys. Stands No Tube Core Remover. I'm sure there's other brands out there, but kind of a brand whore. When I know a brand that's good, I like to buy the whole kit, just because I don't like to deal with like cheap tools. That's all. It's just a preference. Yeah, and it even tells you how to use it. This end for Schrader valve, it fits spokes quickly and easy for core removal, and then this end for Presta valve. So yeah, my first time. Just wanted to say it's my first time doing this. Directions. Number 1, remove the valve core. Number 2, prepare the injector. Okay. Number 3, inject the sealant. And number 4, clean up with cold water. Okay, let me just get some of that stuff ready. All right, but I need to take the core thing out. Is this thing over that? Oh, okay. I hope a lot of the glue doesn't just go spraying everywhere. Actually, come to think of it, why don't I just get another rag just in case? Like I said, I don't know what to expect. It's my first time doing this. So if you guys are laughing at me, that's good. I don't mind. For all you experienced people out there, like, yeah, just open it. And I'm all scared about glue spraying everywhere. But I don't even know. I don't know what to expect. Nice, that was very simple. Valve core. A dirty valve core. Ugh. Why are you so dirty? Please seize the road. That might be why it's been hard to pump. I think some of the glue just gunk up here, and then it just really becomes hard to pump. And you could only take this out when, oh well, I guess there could still be glue in here, and you could still take this out. It's not like it's gonna shoot out without pressure, right? Duh. All right, that's clean. So step 2 says prepare the injector. So the injector syringe. There's nothing else in there. Okay. Requires stands no tube standard formula tire sealant. Not compatible with race sealant. Direct tire installation. With one side of the tire installed, hang wheel vertically with valve stem at bottom. Valve stems at the bottom. Invert the bottle completely. Shake thoroughly. Oh, well, I don't need that because then I'm going to be using the injector. Begin installing second side of tire, blah, 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 blah. So yeah, shake. Shake thoroughly and pour into tire. His recommended quantity per tire. Bicycle tires, 1 to 2.4 inches. Use 2 to 3 ounces. So this is like a road bike tire, so I think an ounce should be fine. Stop. Weird, it's so gooey, gunky. Here goes nothing. You know, for the added benefit of not having to fix little punctures, I can see the benefit of it. I like it. All right, squeeze, done. Now, pull it out. So that's probably about it. I'm just gonna clean off the area before I cap everything back. So now, when I open this, it probably might spit a little. Alright, so this will conclude the video for today. You saw me add the tire sealant to this bike. That was my first time, so you could tell that it was kind of rough. You know, I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know if I opened the valve, if anything was going to start shooting out, or if it was going to make a really big mess. Like the way people told me, like, oh, it's gonna make a mess. You're gonna need this. And I'm like, really? That's what made me not want to do this job for so long. Just because I didn't want to deal with all that. Like, I'm just gonna switch it to tube. And then Alvin was like, why? You have the tubeless stuff. Just you stay tubeless. I'm like, you know what? You're right. Why am I scared? I shouldn't be scared. First timers, right? We're not supposed to be scared. Or we are, but then we're supposed to do it anyway. So I was kind of worried how it's gonna come out, but you know, came out perfect. So I'm happy. I can't wait to see if this thing just holds, and if it's good, then man, I might switch my mountain bike to tubeless tires too. Just because I like the added security of if it punctures, and if you pull it out, you just hear it go, it just sucks it, and it just seals it. That's what I meant. But anyways, wish we could ride today, but we couldn't. You know, the fire is going on and stuff, so we postponed today's ride for next week. It's gonna be Topanga State Park. We found out that hopefully that downhill that been wanting to show you guys is open. So yeah, it's gonna be me, Alvin, maybe a couple more riders, maybe hopefully at least one. If not, if it's just me and Alvin, no worries. Anyways, see you guys next week. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like the video, make sure to subscribe, and see you guys later. Peace.